Are you looking for a way to turn your LinkedIn profile private, or simply trying to adjust your privacy settings to limit how much people have access to on your profile? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you all things LinkedIn privacy settings so you can control your privacy on LinkedIn in a few easy steps. If you're ready, click that like button and let's get straight to it. So I'm inside of LinkedIn. I'm going to click the top right-hand corner where it says Me, and then scroll to View Profile. Inside of my profile, in the top right-hand corner, you can see that it says Public Profile and URL. I want to click the pencil button right here. That is going to open up Public Profile Settings. Essentially, LinkedIn tells us that you can control your profile and can limit what is shown on search engines and other off LinkedIn services. Viewers who aren't signed into LinkedIn will see all or some portions of your profile view displayed below. So when I'm thinking about adjusting my LinkedIn privacy settings, here is the first place I want to look. Understand that everything that I see here currently is visible on search engines like Google or Bing, and in this section of public profile settings, I can adjust how much information is shown on those search engines. If you've ever tried to Google your name, your LinkedIn profile pops up, and people that are not yet signed into LinkedIn have access to certain information about you through your public profile, even if they are not connected to you. So let's see how we can limit this visibility. Well, first, if you do not want anybody to see your LinkedIn profile, if they are not a current connection or are not on LinkedIn, you can simply turn your profile's public visibility completely off. Just toggle this button to off. People will not be able to find you on search engines like Google or Bing or other off LinkedIn search engines. It'll be turned off completely. Now, if I still want my profile visible publicly, meaning outside of LinkedIn on search engines, or I want to limit what sections of my profile or what content is showed, I'm going to scroll to this section where it says public, and I can simply toggle off which sections I do not want visible on Google or Bing. So I can go line by line and show what I want to display and what I don't want to display. So I can simply toggle these on and off pretty easily. Another thing that I can adjust with my public profile is my profile photo. So I could have my profile photo only visible to first-degree connections, meaning people that I'm currently connected to on LinkedIn. I can have my profile photo visible to just my network. This could be up to 3 degrees away. Because remember, LinkedIn works in degrees of connections. Or I can have all LinkedIn members have access to my profile photo in this case, so I just select. If I want to make it public, everybody will have access to my profile, even if they are not currently signed into LinkedIn. It's important to know LinkedIn has specified this on their website that if you edit your public profile settings, meaning maybe you turn off that you don't want your profile visible on search engines or outside of LinkedIn, after you make those edits or changes, it can take up to several weeks or several months for these search engines to update this information. And LinkedIn specifically notes that they do not have control over this process. So if you have edited these settings that you don't see them roll out just yet, you need to give it some time for those settings to roll out on all of the search engines. So those are your public profile settings. Again, this is anybody outside of LinkedIn can view your profile or view certain sections of your profile depending what you have shown or hidden in this section. Another section as it relates to LinkedIn privacy is LinkedIn Private Mode. Private Mode is a setting on LinkedIn that allows you to browse people's profiles anonymously. This means if you click on somebody's profile, they won't see your name, they won't see your job title, and you'll either appear as LinkedIn member or someone on LinkedIn. Let's see how we can edit private mode or our privacy viewing on LinkedIn. So I'm going to go inside of my LinkedIn profile. At the top right-hand corner, I'm going to click Me. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. On the left side, scroll down to where it says Visibility. Then the first option I can see is Profile Viewing Options. Click here. So this section tells us select what others see when you're viewing their profile. So maybe you are recruiting, maybe you just don't want people to see when you click on their profile. Whatever your reason is for wanting the private mode, you can select which profile viewing option works best for you. So you can have people see your name and headline, And LinkedIn gives you a preview of what this could look like. You could have people see only private profile characteristics, or you could have it on private mode entirely where people will not be able to see your name or any other info. They will just see that an anonymous LinkedIn member viewed their profile. There is a caveat to turning this to private mode where you do not want people to see that you viewed their profile. When you turn this on, you can't see who viewed your profile either, unless you have LinkedIn Premium. So if you are using the free version of LinkedIn and you turn the setting on, you will not be able to see who has viewed your profile. LinkedIn sees it as a two-way street. If you want to stay private, you also lose visibility into who's viewing you. Again, unless you upgrade to premium, in that case, you can still view people in private mode and have access to people that have viewed your profile. But for free users, it's all or nothing. And there you have it. That was how you make your LinkedIn profile private and edit some of the privacy settings inside of your profile. There are also other settings that you can play around with inside of settings and privacy. So make sure that you review that in your settings of your profile to ensure that your profile is configured in a way that suits you best. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Subscribe to my channel, Cindy Dodd, for more LinkedIn tutorials. I lay out all the tips to help you master and level up on LinkedIn. No gatekeeping here, all free value. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.